Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account on Scalable Capital. And right now we are here on their website and you can see already standing right here open account. So that is what we're going to do right now by clicking on open account. Then we fill in right here our main email address that we are using. So there we go. And then we do right here next. Then he will send a confirm email. So we go to our email address. There we go. And then we search right here for the confirmation. So let's go always to junk. Sometimes it's standing there. There we have it. Then we do confirm and consent. There we go. And then we can set a password. So we will do that real quick. Then we do confirm and continue. And then right now we need to open our account with verifying something about ourselves and our identity. But right now we are having an account. So this is the part where the verification will start, and I will create a specific video for that because that will cost you a lot of time too. But this is the beginning to create yourselves an account. The last step right now is verifying your account. That step will start right now, but you are having right now a Scalable Capital account. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.